Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want advanced tracking like conversion events, custom scripts, or even multiple analytics tools, Google Tag Manager is the best solution. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to connect Squarespace to Google Tag Manager in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, go all the way and create a Google Tag Manager account by going to Google Tag Manager and creating a new container. I will show you how. So we are on Google Tag Manager. Okay, this is it. So Google Tag Manager, website tag management tools, go through here, create your new account or create a new container, then copy your container ID. It's usually the GCM and some code. After this, we're gonna go all the way to Squarespace code injection. So here we are on Squarespace. We're gonna go to settings. You're gonna go to developer tools. Here we have developer, manage developer API keys, create an external or even internal links, website protections, and all of this. So we're gonna go all the way to the code injection, then paste the GCM code. Add the head code and body code provided by Google. Then save the changes. Just click Save to apply the code, then publish your website. Make sure your site is published for tracking to work, then test with preview mode. You can use Tag Manager Preview to confirm tags are firing. And that's basically it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.